Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix microphone stopped working on iPhone issue. Several iPhone users are experiencing an issue where their microphone has stopped working. The iPhone users observed this issue when they were not able to use Siri properly or another person on the call was not able to hear the voice. This could be a serious problem since the microphone is the basic element on any mobile phone. The issue may be caused due to dirt accumulation in and around the microphone and iPhone case, physical damage to the microphone, iPhone being connected to other Bluetooth device, etc. So in this video, I'll tell you many solutions that will definitely going to resolve this issue. But first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for, turn off Bluetooth to check if any device is connected. If your iPhone is connected to another Bluetooth device, this can be cause the microphone not working problem on any iPhones. So the best way to fix this issue is by turning off the Bluetooth option on the iPhones. For this, open the settings app, tap on it and then tap on Bluetooth and then tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is clean the iPhone case and microphone. If there is enough dirt in and around the microphone, this can lead to microphone issues. So we recommend our viewers to check their iPhone case and microphone area, and if it has dirt accumulated, they need to clean it with a good clean cloth. After it is cleaned, check if the microphone started working like before or not. And the next step is allow app permission to access the microphone. If this issue is occurring only when you try to access certain application on your iPhone, then it is happening because of the lack of access permission to the microphone. So we request users to enable the app permission for apps to access the microphone to resolve this problem. For this, open the settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on privacy and security and then tap on microphone option. Just switch on the application's toggle button to enable the microphone. And you are done. And the next step is turn off the phone noise cancellation. Some iPhone users have claimed that they were able to fix this issue by turning off the phone noise cancellation on their iPhone. So we recommend trying to disable the phone noise cancellation. For this, open the settings app, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on accessibility, scroll down and here you will see the option of audio visual, tap on it and here you will see the option of phone noise cancellation. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is restart the iPhone. This can also be simply fixed sometimes by just restarting the iPhone. To restart your iPhone, you have to go to the settings page, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option of shutdown. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instruction to shut down the iPhone. After that, to start your iPhone, you need to press and hold the volume up and power buttons together till you see the Apple's logo to sign on your screen. And you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. Sometimes, most problems that are bound to occur on any device can be fixed by updating the device. So we advise our viewers to try updating the iPhone. For this, open the settings app and then scroll down and then tap on general. And then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If there are any updates available, please tap on download and install to update your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. When some of the iPhone settings have been altered by some other users or you by mistake, so try resetting all settings. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. In the pop-up box, you will see the option of reset all settings. Tap on it. It will require your passcode. So enter your passcode and this will start to reset all your iPhone settings without worrying about losing any personal data. I hope these all solutions will fix your issue. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.